Hello children, in the unit 10th waves, in this lecture we will discuss about the superposition principle in waves. According to this principle, if the two waves superimpose with each other, then their resultant displacement is either greater or less than the individual displacement of the waves. It is of two types. First is called constructive superposition. Constructive superposition. If the two waves are in the same phase, then their resultant is more than the individual displacement. Let us consider two waves. Having displacement y1 this is known as crest, this is known as trough, and the second wave having displacement y2 and minus y2. Now they superimpose with each other. Suppose this is first wave, y1 minus y1. This is second wave, having displacement y2 and minus y2. Now they are in the phase, their starting and end point are the same, so they are in the same phase. Now we can write this is the resultant of y, this is minus y. So according to this diagram we can write y is equal to y1 plus y2 or minus y is equal to minus y1 plus y2. From this diagram we can see that this resultant y is more than y1 and y is more than y2. So the resultant displacement is more than the individual. If the resultant is more than the individual, so we can say that this is constructive superposition. In the constructive superposition we can also see that crest of the one wave fall on the crest of the other wave, and trough of the one wave fall on the trough of the other wave. So we can say that constructive superposition will take place. Second is destructive superposition. If the two waves are out of phase and their resultant displacement is less than the individual displacement, is known as destructive superposition. Let us consider two waves having displacement y1 and y2. They superimpose with each other such that this is displacement minus y1. Now this is out of phase, so we can say second wave, this is minus y2, this is y2, y1 minus y2, so resultant is given by y1 minus y2. We can see here that y is less than y1 or y2. So this is known as destructive superposition because amplitude of the resultant is less than the individual. If the amplitude of the resultant is less than the individual, so it is known as destructive superposition.